Let me show you how to create this Photoshop text effect. Well, first, let's create a new project. Follow these settings. Now go to and choose Guide and click on New Guide Layout. Now follow the settings and click OK. Now go to View, go to Guide and click on Lock Guide. Now insert our image to Photoshop. Then go to Marquee Selection and select this area. Then click on Mask. Then let's insert our text. Now let's copy our image by Alt and drag it. Now let's make one of our layer above the text layer. Then click on the mask and press Ctrl I to invert the mask. Now we have to separate image one on the right and one on the left. Now click on the above image and create a clipping mask right here by press Alt and click here. Then I forget to check this box. By the way, make sure you check this box. Now click on our background layer and go to Adjustment option. Then choose Solid Color and make it black. Yeah, that is it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.